Tarana. My first tip be on cooking. Surprise? Don't be. I'm gonna talk about making pasta. I'm sure most of the people watching this video loves pasta. Red sauce, white sauce, mixed sauce. Pasta is pure love. In the lockdown days, I'm sure most of us were busy cooking and making pasta, but many a times we find that the end product, like the pastas, get clogged. Where have you gone wrong? I'm going to share a few tips about pasta making. So when we first boil the pasta, we should always remember to add a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of oil in the pan that we are cooking the pasta. This helps the pasta not to clog. Once it's boiled, it is very important to run down this hot pasta over cold water. This is a very important tip. I hope when you next time you make pasta, you'll remember this and your pasta will be refreshingly good.